On June 22, President Trump signed a new proclamation extending suspension of entry of aliens into the United States as immigrants until December 31st, 2020. The new proclamation also expanded the suspension to specific non-immigrant visa applicants that are H-1B, H-2B, J, and L visa applicants, and also people who are accompanying those aliens. These proclamations would not apply to people who are inside the United States. The proclamation also would not apply to people who have valid immigrant visa or travel document on the effective date of the previous proclamation, which was April 23rd, and also who does have a valid non-immigrant H-1B, H-2B, J, or L visa on the effective date of the new proclamation, which is June 24th. Also, these proclamations would not apply to people who are lawful permanent residents or, in other words, green card holders. If you are also a nurse, a physician, or a health provider who is going to perform work that's essential for to prevent the spread of COVID-19, or you're going to do research on COVID-19, you are also within the exceptions. Another exception is for people who are applying for their immigrant visa under EB-5 or investment program category. Also, if you are a spouse of a U.S. citizen or a child under 21 of a U.S. citizen, you are within the exceptions. If you could also show that your entry to the United States would be in the national interest of the United States, you are also within one of the exceptions to these proclamations. And for suspension of entry to those specific non-immigrant visas that I already told you, if you could also show that your entry you are going to enter the United States to provide temporary labor or services that is essential to the United States food supply chain, you would also be an exception to these proclamations. So as I told you in the beginning, the previous proclamation and the new one is going to be valid until December 31st, 2020, unless it is again extended by the president. If you have any questions about the new proclamation and you think that you are affected and you have questions about it, call our office at 424-402-7053.